Welcome back. This is the unboxing of the Anker ZOLO, which is the world's #1 mobile charging brand, and I believe it. So I got this charger so that I can power my radio. But I'm sure some of you are wondering, how big it is and what its capabilities are. It says an Anker ZOLO power bank, 10K, 30 watts. So I'm imagining 10,000 milliamps or 10 amps, 30 watts magnetic. All right, let's see what we can do with this. This pocket knife is, if you're interested, is a tinker, which is really neat. Okay, let's see what we can do here. And I'll compare it to other batteries that I have. Ooh, okay. It comes, oh, this is nice. I always like Anker. They give you a USB-C cable. Okay, I'm going to put that back. Some documentation. That's French for something. A lot of documentation. Japanese, Korean, maybe Arab, English, important safety instruction, FCC statements, safety sheet. Basically, don't throw it in the trash. Recycle. And this, when you peel it, you know you've opened it. Okay, let's see. All right, there it is. Ooh, very nice. Very nice. Okay. Oh, yes. Looks like this will easily scratch. It has one, it's an IQ, and I don't know, let me see, do I have my spyglass here? Let me look very closely. Yeah, you can barely see it. It's an IQ3, so this is the latest PD that goes up to, what, 12 volts. Then you press this button here. Looks like it's 2 bars charged. In and out, which is nice. I'm liking that they're writing that it's in and out. It says some type of standards. I don't like this. This will get scratched easily. Not very nice. And then here, I know you can't read it. Anker ZOLO power bank. And 10K, 10,000 milliamps and 30 watt hours. Now, that is different from this guy, right? This one is the Anker 621 magnetic battery, which is not a PD. Be nice if this was this, but you can see that it's a different size, so different type of capacity. And as you can see, you can't put it here. So the other way, that makes sense. And it makes your phone a little bit heavier. And you can see that it's charging. Okay. And it has a blue light on the bottom here. Well, I guess if I pop this out, it might turn off. Yeah, and now it's off. And then when I pop this in, And it fits nicely, and you can hear the chime on the phone. Now it's being powered. I mean, this will definitely give you a lot of power. I know this one, I've used it. It's convenient, it's small. It'll give you a few extra hours. And you can see it's telling me right here how much power I have. It does a great job. It's very slim and very nice. Okay, now let's compare the ZOLO with this guy. What is it? Power core, like about 26,000 milliamps, which is double the capacity, right? So it's going to be double the size. Right? And if I can barely read it, let me see. Let me look at this. It says it only has one plug. I'm trying to read the input, 5 volts. Hold on. Let me read this to you. Let's see. Total capacity 10,000 milliamps. Battery capacity 2 cells in series, 5,000 milliamps, 7.4 volts. USBC input 5 volts, 3 amps, 9 volts, 2.2 amps, 12 volts, 1.66 amps. Interesting, 20 watts max. USB-C out 5 volts, 3 amps, 9 volts, 3 amps, 10 volts, 2.25 amps, 12 volts, 2.5 amps, and 15 volts, 2 amps. Wow, and it has a 20 volt, 1.5, 30 watts. Interesting. So this might be able to power your laptop, definitely your tablet. Wow. That is really nice. Now, compare that to the Inu, right? This one's charging right now. This one has 2 USB-C ports going in. I'm wondering if I can put the other one to charge it faster, but I can feel like it's warm. By the way, this is from a solar panel. I got another battery, and then that battery is charging from the sun. So the sun is charging this for free, and that's going to scratch for sure. But this one, for USB-C out, and I know it's hard to see, 5 volt 3 amp, 9 volt 2.2 amp, 10 volt 2.25 amp, and 12 volt 1.67, which is close to the 12, but this one doesn't have 20 volts, and this one does. I'll put links on the description. There are affiliate links if you want to support this channel. But I might have mentioned it already, but if I didn't, this one I want to use to see if it powers my radio. The only thing I'm not liking is that it this will scratch very easily. I definitely don't want. It's going to get scratched in the field. But as you can see, it has the ring, the line, and it's almost fully charged, but not. It's halfway. So that gives you an idea of the Anker ZOLO. And gives you a chance to see your other types of batteries that are available in the market. So it depends on your needs and what you're using it for. This one seems to be able to power your laptop if it's 30 watts, maybe your Air. I'm not sure about this one, if it's capable of doing that. With more tests, you can, and I'm sure there's other videos out there that will demonstrate that. But as you can see, there's other Anker products. These are 3 Anker products. And I really do like the Anker products. They're very solid. So I hope you have a great semester. I hope this video is interesting and informative. Please give it a thumbs up if you like it. Please subscribe. Please tell your friends. There's some math in this channel as well. If you have any comments, please put them in the comments section. All right, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.